Hi, bitch.
Hi-ho.
I can feel it on my body, so emotional. I'm on a ride, I'm a passenger. I'm a vixen of a hot love messenger. Dum dee da dee da dum. Oh, sorry. The only thing you said was dum. So we have the cooler on, so it sounds a little crappy. But me and Chloe were talking about, look at all her cool rings that she has on her fingers. But because of her stroke, one side of her body is a little swollener. So I was telling her, too bad we don't have good money, so we can go to a place in Palmdale called Silver Depot. It's like, what would you call it? Like, it's a body jewelry store. But they sell like rings and necklaces and bracelets, but majority of it is mainly body jewelry. But it is a big store and it is full and packed of like awesome stuff.
And it's discounted.
When I was little, I used to be so into piercings. I was all pierced up. I'd had 2 tongue rings, I had my cheeks done, I had the implants, 2 implants here, 2 implants here, had my septum, I had my bridge up here, I had my nipples, and my belly button. And so I would always go to that store and spend literally like $50 to $100 at a time there.
You get a lot of stuff.
You can get a lot of stuff. You take $20, you can get like at least like 10 piercing stuff. And they sell the needles there, they sell the clamps there. Everything you need to do piercings, they sell it there. So shout out to Silver Depot. I love you guys. I sucked the son's dick once, so just kidding. No, I didn't.
You can see that by anywhere.
Hi, Jerry. What? Oh, thank you. I almost forgot my phone. Hey, Coco girl. Look at her awesome leggings. Aren't those sexy?
Hey.
Hi, Michelle. Thanks. It's an old knotted up wig that I got like years ago.
Talk to me.
Oh, she's talking to you?
No, I don't.
Lying.
No bucks one.
Hey friends, it's Andrea and Chloe. We're grocery shopping just a little bit because we're bored. Look what Chloe's getting. She's gonna bleach her hair. And then she's gonna get super red. She's excited. You're excited, huh? She says she's so damn bored. She just wants to do something new.
I can get in my way.
Hi, baby. So everybody, I don't want to record him, but that's the fuckboy I was talking about the last time I was here. Exposed.
The one in the little scooter?
Yeah. It's the old guy in the scooter. So we just got done buying Chloe's hair dye and her bleach. And she's super excited. We're gonna... Excuse me. Oh my god. I suck a lot of dick. I can't help it. It just permanently fucks up my throat.
That's not phlegm, that's cum.
Yeah, it's not phlegm I'm coughing up. It is mecos. That's Espanol for cum.